Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations with my daughter, which I don't think I introduced you in the opening of the...
didn't.
Oh well.
And during the live, the very beginning of it, I said hi, and it was for Mary. I didn't even get to say her name.
Who's Mary?
The first person who was on our live, and I said hi.
Oh,
yes,
gotcha.
But then you were still talking, and I didn't want to interrupt you and say it's Mary. I didn't want to say the whole name because I got the whole name in my head, but Mary was our first. Mary E. She was our first person.
There needs to be some kind of practice to do lives. So that
it's called videos. Those are our practices, but we don't.
Excuse me, we don't. Our lives and our videos are like totally two different things. It's like we draw blanks as soon as it hits the. As soon as we know we're going live, it's over.
It's like deer caught in headlights. Oh, what do we talk about?
Because all the stuff that we plan to talk about, we don't talk about.
Sorry.
And then whenever I say it to you, do you have something you want to say?
Oh, two deer
Nothing.
headlights.
There you go.
What?
Okay, so we've come to you today to show you to do the Stephanie.
The real reason for the video.
The real reason we've asked you to come to our channel, right, is for Stephanie's box unboxing. Okay,
It's
and every
not
time
our channel.
I know it's my channel, but I
Okay.
share it.
Okay.
We do the Stephanie
Because
part.
I'm not on mine anymore.
I know. Busy.
sad.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's open the box and pull out beautiful pink tissue. Let's lift the whole thing. Oh no, I'm not.
No, you're not, because you're going to
Look
tear
at
it.
that. Nope.
Scoop your hand.
There we go.
Okay, never mind.
All right, now we got it.
Move it over.
More paper than I thought. That's what it is. Okay, she said, welcome to the Valentine edition of the project box. Okay. Ooh, the project. So the contents, let's see. It's got the contents of the box contains everything you need to make the top, the binding, or the top of the quilt. It gives you the binding and the backing of the project. You just have to put your, whatever you use. I use cotton batting for mine. I know that some people use the 80-20. Some use the 100% polyester. Whatever that you want to use, that's fine. Okay? It's your choice. Alrighty, so let's take a look at what we got. So we have Endurance Blade was one of the first things she gave us. I'll turn it that way a little bit. And then, oh my gosh, I love that shade of pink too.
So pretty.
That is very, very pretty. And then a lollipop. I thought it had something on it there, but I can't really make it out.
It's a sucker.
I know it's a sucker, but I thought it had like a little type of, like a heart or something on the top of it. Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, you want to show some of the pattern?
I was looking at the sucker again.
Okay, well, let's show the pattern.
Okay, you show the pattern.
Okay, here we go. It is called Heart to Heart, and it's a table runner. It'll look like that when you get done. Okay. Fabric?
Sure.
Okay, I know you like the fabric to show it.
I always love the fabric. And I
This
don't
is
make
some pretty-
anything.
this
I
is some-
like the fabric.
Some pretty
So
fabric.
this is, hang on a second, working with one eyeball. Are those just X's on there?
Yep.
All right. So we got red, just little bitty X's.
I like this fabric right there. Oh, gosh, isn't that pretty? The little bitty flowers.
Wait, there is more.
Ooh,
Look
they've
at
all got
that.
X's on them. Even
Oh
this
my
white on white
gosh.
has X's.
Wait, let me
You
get
can see
that
the
on
X's. Yeah. Okay.
All right, so we
A
got.
piece of lint right there in the middle of the camera. See it?
No, you just wanted my face in the middle of the camera.
Okay, first off, I never thought about that.
I did as soon as I saw my big head.
I don't think it's going to take a picture of it. It's right there. Whatever it was. It fell off. I don't think it gets in the camera. It'd have to be on the other side where the lens is at.
It would have to be right there where the camera is in
That's
order
true.
to be in the camera.
That's a good thing I went down with it, not over. Could you imagine covering the lens with a piece of dust?
You're all blurry now. Okay, let's continue with the fabric. So this is the purple with the X's. And there's...
Lilac.
Wait a minute.
You can leave that purple open and then just take the next.
Okay. That's pink.
It's pretty pink.
Yeah. It's a pretty big piece. Nope.
And it's called Kisses. I was looking to read
Nope. What's it called? Wow. Riley Blake Designs Patterns C210 Kisses by Doodlebug Design Incorporated.
How appropriate.
Nice. And then that was the pink.
Okay.
Well, you could leave them like staggered a little because you're going to spread it out a little, right?
I am.
All right. And this is darker pink.
It's a little bit a different kind of pink too. Because it's not like your regular pink that's dark. Like this is a dark pink. This paper is a dark pink. But against that fabric, that's got other colors in it.
Yeah. So it's those three right there that I just showed you. So you got the purple, a pale pink, and a darker pink. So.
Oh, I thought you were going to show it.
I am.
Oh,
I'm going to show it like this so I don't have to hold
Gotcha.
up that whole thing. Look at that.
Okay, there
Aren't
you
those
go.
pretty? I can't see me. There we go. Couldn't see the fabric to hold up. Yeah,
And
those
then
are
this
nice.
is
All right.
red,
So that's
which
the-
is also
oh.
one. Yeah.
Yeah, but I showed
It's-
that one, right? Yeah, I showed the
Did you
red
show
one
it
because
at
I
the
showed
very
it
beginning?
first.
Okay.
And
I
then
showed these.
You already showed those?
Right. Uh-huh.
Really?
So that was everything.
Were
Yeah.
you talking about those pretty little flowers?
Yeah, I said these had little, it was white on white and it had X's. Yeah. Oh, I'm sliding out of the, sliding out of the camera. If I'm not shrinking down, I'm shrinking over. It's like-
She wasn't stepping on her mark.
Yeah, that's true. It's like when they have that great big huge thing that grabs you by the neck and pulls you over.
The hook.
That's what I feel like. Someone's pulling me that direction. Okay, so that was it. I didn't want to make it this very long. I've got to get so many videos edited, and I want to start working on. You know what? I don't think Stephanie's gonna mind if we say it. We can say the initials. All right, stop with the sound effects. FWFS. She won't mind. Stephanie's doing it. She doesn't care.
Well, if you get if you don't see this part of the video, you know why.
I'm not taking it out. That was it. So I'm going to start working on that here in a little bit. Well, thank you everybody for watching. I appreciate all my new YouTube subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, it's free. Doesn't cost you anything. Go ahead. Click on the little bell and subscribe. Ring the little bell because that'll get you notices as to when I'm going up live, which is very far and far and far
Yes.
between because, like I said, I can't do a live video for
Because
nothing.
we just look at the screen and then look at each other and then look at the screen because no one's on and so we don't know what to say.
And we draw total blanks. We need to
I don't
take
know what
notes.
to talk about.
We just we need to start taking notes, and then we just go by our notes. We'll do that the next time.
Well,
Hopefully we improve.
here's an idea though.
Okay.
When you go live again, and
Yeah.
or if we go live,
I don't
you
think
could
I've ever been
you
live
could
on myself.
ask your YouTube viewers what would they like to talk about. What would they like us to talk about? I mean, something like that, or any projects that they're working on.
Yeah, maybe they're doing the last. We won't mention that word again. I don't want to say something about something else.
No.
Okay, that's it. We're not talking that because I've been told not to talk.
No.
This is why we can't never talk. All right, say bye.
Bye.
Okay, here it is, all laid out on the table. She made a little pocket out of that fabric.
Yay,
Isn't
me.
that cute? Presentation. It's all about the presentation.
That's right, it is. It's beautiful.
Yes, it is. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. And I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.